Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to revisit the rainbow wave technique, and I use the following products. Let's see, we got the layering circles, dies, we have the art gallery set for the sentiments, and then we use the painted texture 3D embossing folder. So let's get started. First, you're going to start with a card base, measuring 5.5 by 8.5 and scoring at 4 1/4. Then we're going to use a piece of mint macaron, which measures 4 by 5 1/4. 3 of the layering circles. So the first one, the largest one, the fourth one, and the sixth one. So you need those. And then lastly, you just need a strip that measures 4 1/2. So feel free to pause this and write down the measurements if you like, or screenshot it. So we'll start with the card base. It's already scored right here, so I'm going to use my bone folder to fold that. Then with this piece, I'm going to put it through the cutting and embossing machine to emboss it. Be right back. And I love the look that it gets, and you can decide which side you'd like to focus on. It just depends on the look you'd like. I think I'm going to try this side. So we're going to adhere this one onto the base. Here, just centering it on the front. Okay. Then we're going to take our circles. And the first thing we're going to do is fold them each in half. So it doesn't really matter. Don't worry about being precise. The part that you're going to cut is going to be covered by the sentiment there. Let's fold the second one. Crease it really nice so you have a nice line to follow up on when you're cutting. And we're going to take our scissors. We're just going to cut right across that line. And again, it doesn't matter if it's perfect. It's going to be covered by the sentiment. There's the first circle. And the second one and the third one. And then this is the technique you're going to do. Is you're going to take the smallest half circle and put some glue on the back. And you're going to put it and line up the bottom and the right. So what I like to do is I pinch the corner to make sure it's straight there. Then we're going to put some more glue. On the back. And do the same thing where you're going to line up the bottom and pinch that right corner to make sure it's all lined up here. And then we'll repeat. So the green one first. On the right again, pinching the corner, lining up the bottom. And pinching the corner, lining up the bottom. So you'll have 2 of those. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your card back in, and you're going to lay it the way you'd like it on your card. I like to center it a little bit here and here, but the key is to match the center color. And again, don't worry about the cuts because this will cover it all up. Alright, so you're going to center it exactly where you want it, matching that middle color so it continues. It's like the wave there. I'm going to put some glue on the back of this. Lay it on here. Do the same for the bottom part. Lay it here. Take the strip. I think I'm going to do happy birthday. You always need birthday cards, right? some Calypso Coral right in the center. Straight up and straight down, no rocking, and you won't get the shadows. And put some Stampin' Seal on the back of that. And attach it right there. There you go. And there is your circle wave card. So, thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can also be found at Sharing It With You on Instagram. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.